today as it's Science Week and I have a huge interest in sports. I'm here for the day with my friend, want to find out more about LIT Thurles and what facilities they offer here.
We've done 5 modules. We did movement as the first one and we learned the mobility of doing a front roll, and we learned how to do a cartwheel. And the second module we did was psychology. We learned about goal setting.
Yeah, psychology, which was really good and taught us about like the mental side of things, stuff that I didn't really know about before. It's actually a huge part to play football. I play football myself for St. Crohn's and Roscommon, so I would then apply that information that I got today into my sports and to tell people about it.
The fitness testing was really good, and the nutrition talk, you learn how to recover after training, like what foods to eat, and when you had to run and you had to avoid beams, like basically your sidestep, how good your sidestep is, how strong you can throw a ball, like, and your power in your legs. You learn all the equipment, use all the equipment. Like there's stuff here in LIT Thurles that I didn't know that existed.
I would consider coming to LIT for strength and conditioning. The facilities here are really good.
Yeah, I'd consider coming to LIT Thurles for strength and conditioning.
I definitely would consider coming to LIT. It looks an amazing college and I'd hopefully be coming here in September.